In this video, I'll be showing you how to get YouTube Music on your Mac. Now, whether it's your MacBook or your iMac, the process is the same. Now, traditionally, YouTube is not, or YouTube Music in general, is not available in the App Store. So whenever you go to the App Store and search for YouTube, you'll see it's not yet available. In order for you to get YouTube Music, all you need to do is simply open up Safari, and then you want to search for YouTube Music, and then you want to go ahead and open up the web page for YouTube Music. Once you've successfully opened it up, you want to come to the taskbar at the top, and you're going to select the option File. From here, choose the option Add to Dock, and then give the shortcut a name, such as YouTube Music or just Music, and then select Add. Once you do that, you should see the pop-up appearing here in the dock, so you can choose to pin it to the dock so that you can always have it there ready for you to use. Now, if you ever want to open up YouTube Music, just come to your dock, select it, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.